Hello everyone. I have decided to wire in the light bulb for the vacuum gauge, and I have already made up a pigtail that's about 2 feet long. I am going to see if I can find the ground and the wire for the light in this panel. That way I'll have a dimmable light for the gauge. So let's get after it. So the first thing we want to do is take the dash diffuser off so we can get to the screws that hold that part of the dash bezel on. Oh, lovely. Sounds like something broke. Oh well. See if we can see what that was. Not sure. Huh. Wild. Okay. Well, that's enough to get to them screws. This thing doesn't like to come out because whoever owned it before me put in this rubberized tape because the windshield frame is rusting out. That'll be another video. See, all I need to do is get to these screws. I don't remember if I gotta take the knee bolster off or not. I don't think I did. I do need to take the gauge off though. Put that in 6th. Or reverse. Put it in reverse. Alrighty then. There it is. There we go. Hoy. That was harrowing. Alrighty then. I know, Fuego screaming at me, I didn't need to take the lower panel off. Well, I sort of kind of wanted to, so I can see behind it. Okay. That's my blend door. I'm going to guess that. Alright, so you would think that line these up, that's your fan control, you'll definitely have 12 volts on that. Then you got 4 speeds. No idea which one positive would be, unless it's the one with the red stripe on the black one. This I'm not sure. And this seems like there's a signal wire, but looks like I got a couple of ground wires here, possibly, and a wire for the light. Maybe the wire for the light's over here. I'm gonna find out. It's time to find out what we've got. Volts DC. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Key on. $12.2. $10.9. Huh. That's definitely keyed, but it's not on the light switch. So light switch 11.8. Well, that's different. Negative 1.2. No, not in there. Negative 11.8. So, all right. That big fat black one down there is definitely ground. And the heavier blue one with the white stripe is positive. That gives me 11.8 volts. And I got 10.6 volts from ground to that top one, which I'm not sure. That must be a signal wire for the... Okay. That is not what I want. Oh, that's gonna be fun. I don't think those will reach in there. Nope. Alright, so here's what I come up with. A little piece of 18 gauge 2 conductor wire. Strip the ends off here, and I have plugged them into that connector there. Hopefully I got it in right. No volts. Oops. Need the key. No volts. That's good. All right. No volts. Put the key on. Okay. Let's turn the lights on. 10:07. Okay. Let's start the darn thing. $11.9. That's better. That's a better voltage. Now, let's see if they're dimmable. Go all the way down. 11.9. Huh. Well, that would give me my light bulb, which I'm okay with. Would be dimmable, which I guess I'm okay with. $11.4. Alright. Shut them off. No volts. Alrighty then. So check the next one down. Key off. No volts. Key on. $11.9. So that's key on. It's not lights on. Key off. Let's go back to this one. Key off. No volts. Key on. No volts. Light switch on. $10.8. $12. Okay. That is definitely the ones I need. The other ones, well, let's go to this one. Key off. Lights off. No volts. Key on. 5.5 volts. Six volts. Okay. Lights on. 6 volts. Dimmer switch down. 6 volts. Lights off. Switch up, 6 volts. Key off. Nothing. Okay. go to the last one. Where did I go? Oh, come on. Son of a gun. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Alright. Back into ground you go. Into that one you go. Key off. Lights off. 0 volts. Key on. 0 volts. Lights on. Key on. 0 volts. Alrighty. I'm not going to worry about it being dimmable. You know, one thing I didn't check when I had this one in here. Okay. Key off. Back to the original positive and ground. 0 volts. Key on. 0 volts. Lights on. Dimmer high. Volts. 10.8. 12. Alrighty. Dimmer all the way down. 12. Okay, so it won't be a dimmed light. I'm okay with that. As long as it's keyed and on the light switch. That's all that matters. Which in this case is orange with a brown stripe and a black wire. So positive and ground. Alright, well, I don't much like these, but it's what I got. Let's see about dropping you down behind the dash. Yeah. Whoop, I see it. Okay, successful. Yay! Alright. Now this. Nowhere to open it on the back. Of course not. That's lovely. Dang it. Two blue ones. Yeah, alrighty. Because the red ones are small wire. Okay, yep. Ground first. Well, fully. Okay, do that again. Because we do it nice because we do it twice. There it is. Alright, ground. Main reason I don't like these things, it takes 3 hands to install the darn things. Alright. That seems like it took. This one. There. And there. Okay. I will tape those here in a minute. Here's the light. Right down there, right now. Lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. Sweet. Oh yeah, tape. Almost forgot tape. Of course. Gravity. Oh, come on. Try to avoid stretching the tape. Go. There we go. Alrighty then. Put that back where it goes. Some screws. Oh, if you're curious about that USB power supply and switch, I did a video on that also. Okay. How the battery's doing? Oh, one's charged. Alrighty. Well, I'll shut that off. Put this back. Just really happy. What in the heck happened there? Huh. Weird. It's one of the issues with buying a used vehicle. You don't know what other people's done before you. Alrighty. My Peruvian neighbors. I know what that is. It's just the rust falling out. Okay, no worries. We'll pretend we didn't see that. Might as well. While I'm over here, I'm gonna put you guys back up here. Alrighty. Alright, so what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to shove light up into the socket. Like that. There we go. Now, on a tie wrap. That's 14-inch, you know, right size for the job. Bingo. There we go. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. You can kind of see the light back there. There it goes. Huh. The dimmer doesn't work the dash lights either. Wonder if I got a bad control lever. Huh. Never even thought of that. Anyway, like I said, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I would like to get to my initial goal of 1,000 subscribers, I don't really have a deadline. I wouldn't ask for a deadline, but every like and subscription helps my channel immensely. So thanks for joining me. I will see you later.